everyone, sir. Thank you so very much for believing in and your motivational words always, sir. My team DAV Thermal Panipat, Haryana joins me to assure you that we as team will leave no stone unturned to take DAV Thermal Panipat to scale greater heights with each passing day. Team DAV Thermal Panipat, Haryana will remain indebted to all the mentors of DAV College Managing Committee, New Delhi, our worthy Director Madam J. Kakadia ji for her kind concerns always, for sanctioning 5% hike and DA from 12% to 17% today as Happy New Year 2021 precious gift to us all. Thank you so very much, ma'am. Father figure of our school, Shri Nanak Chand ji, manager of the school, you have rightly said that DAV organization is non-profitable organization and is never and will never be after making money. Sir, as announced by you, DAV Thermal Panipat Haryana will follow all instructions in true letter and spirit, sir. There will be no fee hike in upcoming session 2021-22, including transport charges, sir. Here, I must clarify to all the stakeholders that fee for session 2021, rather the fee which is chargeable for session 2019-20 means last year mentioned in Form 6 that was uploaded in December 2018 as ordered by Education Department Haryana, White orders dated 23rd April and 22nd May, and the fee structure which is mentioned in ERP and online school management for session 2019-20. There will be no fee hike in upcoming session 2021-22 to sir, including transport charges. We abide by all the orders issued by you. Sir, kindly give me permission to share that we are left with very few seats in all the classes. So, the registration for upcoming session that is 2021-22 will be open as you have announced today, admission open up to 30th January 2021 only, and the entrance exam will be held in the second week of Feb 2021, and that will be purely on merit basis. In 2016 March, when I joined the school, and on result declaration day, I announced the days are not too far when, name any company, students of DAV Thermal Panipat would be on top posts. That batch, all the members who are able to attend this virtual annual function, I am sharing proudly that particular batch is in their final year now, getting wonderful job offers, and in return, as principal, I am receiving many motivational messages from the parents, from the students who remembered my saying. Thanks to all the students, teachers and parents. Since November 25, 2020 to December, and how we teach, so will be the society. And Almighty has given us society. And Almighty has given us life. And the doctors are the angels on the earth, on this planet, who saved our lives. Today, on January 1st January 2021, I proudly revise my targets. My dear students, alumni of DAV Thermal Panipat, my dear teachers, all the stakeholders, please note, I have revised my targets that the days are not too far that when alumni of DAV Thermal Panipat for sure come to the world, they'll have their own startups. Name any country. Now I am saying name any country where the alumni of DAV Thermal Panipat, Haryana, India will give jobs to the citizens of that country. All alumni, I wish to repeat, please listen once again. The days are not too far that when alumni of DAV Thermal Panipat will for sure conquer the world. They'll have their own startups. Name any country where the alumni of DAV Thermal Panipat, Haryana, India will give jobs to the citizens of that country. All alumni, please take my words by heart and raise the flag of DAV high, high and high. DAV Jai Jai, DAV Jai Jai, DAV Jai Jai. Happy New Year 2021. Thank you so very much. Now, I request Supervisory Head Mrs. Shikhi Singhal, over to you ma'am. Kindly give what planning we have done for academic session 2020-21. Rather, I must add what we have planned for our students who are preparing for their board exams. Academic planning, over to you Shikhi ma'am. Thank you so very much.